Hi guys, today for you I have Taste Test Thursday. I know it's Friday, but I was a little busy yesterday, so today for you I have 80 calories per bar vanilla M&M minis. This is what they look like. See, there are 12 0.97 floor ounces. It's in this nice blue container. It says melts in your mouth and in your hand. Enjoy the tasty combination M&M's milk chocolate candy pieces swirled in vanilla reduced fat ice cream and covered in a delicious chocolate shell. So here are your allergies, if you can see them. If you are allergic to milk, soy, and it says may contain peanuts and wheat, so this is not a gluten-free item. And there's the bottom. So this is what you get on the inside. It is a white container packaging. It says not a reduced fat food. This reduced fat ice cream and this product contains 30% less fat than smaller portions range of full fat vanilla ice cream. So you got all your ingredients on your little wrappers. So it is about the size of a Snickers fun size. So that's what they look like. It is in a white chocolate. As you can see, there are M&M minis in here. And it's just really good and cold and really good to eat. So it's just vanilla ice cream with chocolate and M&M's. And it's really good for chocolate people. The ice cream is very creamy. And the M&M's not too bad. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you try these out. These are really good. I give them 100% good taste. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.